Hey you guys, so we just made it to my brother's game. We had to make some pit stops. We were a little late. Yeah, but we brought him snacks though. That's all that matters. And that's on period. Got the gang with me. Shy, sister, and my brother. Oh, I don't even know if y'all got his whole body, but I'm gonna record the game and put music over this part. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later on today. Yeah, so we leaving the game. It was a good game.
That's what she just did. When I showed her the picture, she was like, I know that.
I don't know where she's going. Sister, where are you going? You want to say hey to my vlog? This is my sister, y'all. She never want to show her face. So my camera died while we was at the game. And right now we at the market getting nachos and other stuff. Oh, it's right there. Right? Oh, that's turkey. Oh, that's chicken too. I knew that. But yeah, we're just at the store getting stuff for the party. It's like it's not even a party. It's just, you know, Club Jive is going down. And I gotta charge my camera so y'all can see all the footage of that later on today. But yeah, I will get back to y'all when everything is cooked. My hair looks crazy. It's not even flat anymore. But yeah, I will talk to y'all later on when we get back to the house. And yeah, you want to say anything to my mom? Not hey. Bye, you guys. Bye. Hey you guys, welcome back to my vlog. I don't know the last time I talked to you guys, but it's currently what time is it? It's currently 10:56 and we in Club Jive. Everybody busted.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, Club Jive every weekend, you know. Every Saturday night is going down in the house so we safe and living. It was crazy. I don't like it, but it's gonna do what I gotta do. I'm passing the camera to the person who always eating something but never replacing it. Oh, go ahead with the camera. Oh, your phone is ringing. I'm passing the camera to the person with the most holes.
Big Maul for real, and I think.
Is that too much?
Y'all say Jamal,
I think Ja gonna be the drunkest. She think her YouTube shit gonna go up, but
it is. Excuse you.
blooper.
My YouTube is gonna blow up.
Is that good?
We're gonna pass it to the one that need her hair redone.
Oh my. No, you gotta tell me you passing the camera to the person who hairline receiving and eyebrows too.
What? Where? Don't play.
Hairline is receiving.
Where?
Right there.
Girl. Yo, can you turn on?
No, you're not. You in this.
I'm in the camera.
Why are you recording in the cam?
Bro, is they really coming? Is he really coming?
You worried about it. Better. We can get hit with a fucking get
Yeah, alright, yeah.
I just
What's happening?
yeah.
When are you still alive?
Yeah.
Drugs, paraphernalia.
So it's the next day. I didn't close out the video last night because we got too turned. It was crazy. We played Uno and everything. I don't even know what my camera was, so I couldn't even record those parts. But yeah, if you like Saturday's vlog, you already know what happened on Saturdays. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you get notified every time I upload. And y'all see my edits is going up here. Your girl is getting better and better at editing, period. I record and edit my own videos. I'm not saying if you don't record, if you don't edit your own videos, that's a problem. But editing your own stuff is good because you know what you like. But yeah. Yes, it is a reward. But yeah, don't forget to turn on your bell so you get notified every time I upload. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Let me know what videos y'all want to see too, because I don't want to keep doing the same stuff. So yeah, let me know. I can do sit down videos, makeup, hair, all that stuff. And he's just using profanity while I'm doing my outro. It's always your brother, man. Your mans ain't your mans. But yeah, I love y'all. Stay safe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.